Hi dear students, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is very important and I have shortened it, reduced it, and I will tell you only the causes or outlines. Today's topic is important topic of international relations, political science, US and European history, public administration, national and current affairs, defense strategic studies. Detailed lecture is available on my YouTube channel also. Now, the 20 causes of World War I. Now, I will present only outlines. You have to describe. If you want to listen, if you want to listen full lecture, it is available on the YouTube. War started on 28th July 1914, ended on 11/11/1918. Now, number one cause is natural cause. In my opinion, it is not written in any book or any author, any European author who has described it as a natural cause. But I have described and I have mentioned it the natural cause. Number two, economic and political developments in the world. Number three, economic burden of industrial revolution over the world, over the people of world. Number four, the War of Independence in United States of America in 1776 and Declaration of Independence. Number five, French Revolution 1789 and its political impact over the people of world. Number six, Vienna Conference or Concert of Europe 1815. Number seven, rise of communism, nationalism and extreme antipathy or hatred against capitalism. Number 8, black check assurances given by the Germany. Number 2, misuse of imperialism. Number 10, the Prussian spirit of militarism and will to gain last glory and prestige at any cost. That's why they followed the Hitlers. Number 11, protection of national interest at any cost, no respect for others' national interest. Number 12, negation of principles of international morality. Number 13, rise of militarism and expansionism in Japan. In Asia, Japan was moving and following the policy of expansionism. Number 14, clandestine or secret diplomacy, offensive, defensive, security pacts and alliances. Number 15, expansion of military power by European countries. Number 16, lack of inclination for reconciliation and peaceful coexistence. Number 17, the policy of isolationism adopted by the USA and non-involvement in European affairs due to feeling of hatred against Europeans. Number 18, lack of tangible balance of power system in the Europe or in the world. Number 19, mutual mistrust due to prevalent social, economic and political systems. Number 20, deviance of Europe into two hostile blocks. What was the result? What was the outcome? And outcome was naturally the World War I and the destruction, and again preparation for World War II. Any student want notes may email to aqbangi@gmail.com. CSS Academy Circle will send these notes free of cost. Wish you good luck. Thank you. Keep writing.